We're here again in Madman Mechanics fabrication room, and in this week's video you're going to see us take this YFZ 450 and put a rally navigation tower on it. This quad bike's already been competing here in the UAE in local races, and now he's trying to level up his game by getting a full setup, which we're going to be doing here at Madman Mechanics in Dubai. We've already done a Yamaha Raptor 700 navigation tower that has now been put up to the test to make sure that it can withhold the standard durability out in the desert whilst racing. This YFZ 450 is going to get a complete makeover as well in future videos, but for now we're going to be doing a full navigation setup which is custom made here at Madman Mechanics. Normally you've known us just for making our Raptor builds, but now we're changing up the game and we're expanding into new elements and new areas that's going to broaden the future. So if you guys have got something that you want done similar to this or any type of customization work, make sure to contact us at Madman Mechanics. This YFZ 450 has already got a factory 43 front bumper, factory 43 Nerf bars and a Husia grab bar at the back. Now it's going to get installed a Madman Mechanics custom design just for this build of a navigation tower here in Dubai. Let me show you the setup that he was running before in previous races. Over here he's got his old navigation tower which was very, very poorly designed. It's made from really bad material, not ideal to be racing with. It's got bad welds, it's just not good to be able to race properly and actually be able to trust this design. Unfortunately, for some reason, whoever it is that decided to use this thought that it was going to be a good idea to attach this straight onto the shock bolts at the top. So this was mounted here at the front. There should be no reason why we touch any type of shock bolts. This is a high importance component that we shouldn't be messing with. We're going to be leaving that alone and taking other anchoring points to be able to make this navigation tower one of one here at Madman Mechanics. So keep watching this video so you can see the exact step-by-step process that we do here at Madman Mechanics, from customizing to fabricating to sandblasting to even powder coating in an exact one-to-one color that's going to be matching this frame for this build of this YFZ 450. As I just mentioned, for the lower part of the navigation tower, we're going to be using the top mounting points for the front bumper. For the top part of the navigation tower, we've had to strip back the tank and all of the plastics to find the perfect point that we're going to be mounting it from. We've decided to use these 2 points right here, and now we can carry on making the navigation tower brackets so that we can start fabbing up the full frame. The lower section of the navigation tower has already been welded up. We've already bent the metal to be able to take the shape of the body, and now you can start to see it coming together bit by bit. It's already been secured onto the top mounting bracket for this front bumper, and we've already chosen our next mounting point, which is going to be on the back side of this steering stem. Bit by bit, you're going to start seeing this project come together more and more, and at the end of this video, you're going to see us completely finish this quad bike. Keep watching until the end. Make sure you keep on watching until the end of the video so that you can see a top secret project that we've got going on. We've just received a delivery, a very special one, and you're going to want to see exactly what we've got. The main base for the navigation tower has been completely welded. We've taken the supports from the bottom and from the top and made a very sturdy platform here to be able to attach the main part of the navigation tower onto. We're soon going to be all finished with our Madman Mechanics branding, and you're going to see this build completely done here in Dubai. Now that the base is completed for this navigation tower, it's time to install our road book. We're making a completely custom top-mounted road book holder, specifically designed just to fit this paper mount on. At the moment, we've only got this build going on, but once he goes and finishes this race that is having this whole build for, we'll be going on to the next rally navigation tower design, which is going to change it completely. Let me explain to you a little bit more what a rally navigation tower is. This navigation tower is specifically designed just for rally races that are around the world, but mainly this customer is going to be using it here in the UAE. What this is used for is to navigate inside of the desert. You're given a road book that you can then read exactly where you're supposed to go to with directions, which you'll see in this video here. Along with this roadbook, there's a few other devices that have been installed on this navigation tower to be able to use to race. So this is our first prototype that we've done here at Madman Mechanics, and it's been fully tested and working perfectly. It's completely reinforced with a completely custom paint job that matches the full frame. As you can see at the front, we've used main anchoring points, which is the front nudge bar at the top, and also we've used the chassis frame itself. Over here, we've also used a chassis anchoring point that's making this 100% sturdy in case anything might happen out in a race. Here we've got our vapor speedometer. So this is obviously, as you know, going to be telling us exactly how much speed we're going to be doing whilst we're in our race. The next part we have is our roadbook holder. What our roadbook holder is this is where our paper roadbook goes. In the newer races, they've now converted to digital roadbooks where it's a tablet that is installed on here, but for now, on the local races, they're still using paper. When the paper is loaded inside of here, which is what you get just at the beginning of the race, you'll give exact directions on which way you're supposed to be going when you're out in the desert. And over here, you've got the device which is directly linked in with your roadbook. This allows you to be able to scroll up and down the roadbook as you're navigating through the desert. It's hard enough riding a quad bike in the desert, let alone having to navigate all by yourself. With this, you've got our ICO. This is one of the other important parts of actually navigating in the desert. What this does is it gives you your trip master that directly links with your roadbook so that you know exactly where you're going. As you're navigating with the roadbook, it's going to give you a series of different instances and turns that you're supposed to use. When you're using those, it's going to tell you a direct kilometer that is linked with your ICO. So you need to make sure that they are linked together. By doing this, you're also able to adjust this up and down to make sure you're exactly at the right kilometer that you're supposed to be. This quad bike is nowhere near ready yet to race. We've already got our navigation tower, which has been set up perfectly along with our oversized tank, but we still got a lot of work to do. We still got to put wider arms on it, wider axle, and do a few other performance upgrades to make sure that he's fully prepared, ready to race here in UAE. Now that the navigation tower is done, it's time to go get it powder coated. The Rally Navigation Tower has been completely powder coated and ready to get installed back onto the quad bike. Next, you're going to see this special delivery that we've just got here. Don't already know what this is a Stark Varg battery and motor in these boxes right here, along with this behind me, which is all the other components that we need to build a top secret build here at Madman Mechanics. This is one of the most high-tech motors that there is right now. There's mobile phone, which is specifically designed just for this, and this engine is producing up to 80 horsepower. Like I said, this is a top secret project, and you need to keep on watching into future videos to see exactly what we're going to be doing with this right here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. This one is going to be absolutely incredible, and I'll see you guys in the next one.